Are you trying to cancel your Higgsfield AI subscription but can't find your option? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to cancel it step by step, quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Higgsfield AI website. Log in using the account you used to purchase the subscription. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have multiple emails. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage Account. This opens your account dashboard, where you can manage your details. From here, select the subscription section to view your plan information. You'll see details such as your billing cycle, renewal date, and payment method. Look for a section labeled cancellation or a button that says cancel subscription. Once you find it, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Before canceling your subscription, make sure to review everything carefully. I strongly recommend downloading all of your generated content and files since you may lose access after the cancellation is completed. And that's the complete process to cancel your subscription step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.